name is Patrick Mboma. Now today I want us to go through the School of Health and Applied Sciences. And I want to take you through some of the courses that we have in this great School of Health and Applied Sciences. Let me start with the health records and IT. Now we have health records and IT at the certificate and the diploma level. And probably for those of you that have been asking about the qualifications, today I'm going to take you through that. So you need to have KCSE D+ for you to be able to pursue a course in health records at the certificate level. And you also need to have a KCSE C- for you to be able to pursue that same course at the diploma level. That's health records and IT. Now, the chances for you to work and the places that you can be employed and work in health records are quite a myriad. But mostly you find health records officers working in the hospital setups, particularly in their archives and also at the reception facilities within major hospitals, both private and also the public hospitals. We also have medical engineering as a course, and medical engineers will again majorly be working in the hospital setups, particularly at the engineering section, and most large facilities will have the engineering sections that are handled by the medical engineers. For you to be able to pursue a diploma in medical engineering, for your information, we don't have a certificate in medical engineering, but we have a diploma, we have that course being offered at the diploma level. You need to have gotten a KCSE C- if you are to qualify to pursue that record. In the same in the School of Health and Applied Sciences, we also have community health and development offered at the certificate and the diploma level and examined by TVET CDAC. For you to be able to pursue this course, you will need to have a KCSE D stand, and because we're using the CDAC curriculum, then we are going to be pursuing this course at different levels, starting from all the way from level 4 through level 5 and up to level 6. I know for those of you that would want to further, you can still pursue the course at level 7, level 8, and level 9, which is the PhD level of community health and development. Now, community health officers are very, very crucial in our healthcare system. In fact, when we were talking about the universal health coverage, community health came in handy, and that is when now we were talking about the community health workers and the community health volunteers and the CHUs, the community health units. And those of you that have been following the discussion, you know that it was launched successfully in Kisumu. It was launched also in Machakos County, and the results are quite promising. So we still have openings for community health workers out there within the government, and more so by NGOs. Many of the non-governmental organizations, particularly within the remote areas, are really focusing on having community health workers to help them with the pre-hospital care and also local-based care within the remote areas. Within the same department, we have psychological counseling as another major course, and we all know that we have various issues, particularly with mental health and many other issues that are surrounding the humanity in general, and we need psychological counselors. And we have that course both at the certificate level and at the diploma level. And for you to be able to qualify to pursue that course, you need to have attained a KCSE D+. If you're going to do a certificate, and that will be offered under the TVET CDAC, and you also need to have attained a KCSE grade of a C- if you want to pursue the course at the diploma level. And the same way with we said about community health, you can still advance through the stages, the levels, because you're using the TVET CDAC curriculum. Although for the diploma course, you can choose between the TVET CDAC curriculum and examination and the NEC curriculum examination, and that will still take you through the same stages. Now, in the same School of Health and Applied Sciences, we are offering the community health nursing, the Kenya Registered Community Health Nursing, together with the medical laboratory sciences, that is the MLS, and also the pharmaceutical technology, within the same institution. I combined all those because the qualifications are almost the same. Now, starting with the community health nursing, that is the Kenya Registered Community Health Nursing, you need to have attained a KCSE C-plane for you to be able to pursue that course, but you also need some requisite courses before you can join that program. You need to have attained a KCSE C- in mathematics or physics. You need to have attained a C stand in English or Kiswahili, and you also need to have attained a C-plane in biology. So those are some of the other requirements, other than the fact that you need to have gotten a KCSE C-plane before you can be able to pursue nursing as a course. Now, again, we have the medical laboratory sciences, and the qualifications are more or less the same. But you will actually need to have a KCSE C-, KCSE C-plane in mathematics or physics. You will need to have a C-plane in biology. You need to have a C-plane in chemistry, and you will also need to have a C-plane in either English or Kiswahili. Now, the same requirements cut across also pharmaceutical technology as a course. Now, all those courses are offered at the diploma level. So we don't have certificates in nursing, we don't have certificates in pharmaceutical technology, we don't have a certificate in medical laboratory sciences. Now, let me finish with some of the short courses that we have, and I will start with the emergency medical technician, which is one of our biggest programs within the School of Health and Applied Sciences, and we offer it at the certificate level and also at the diploma level. That is the paramedic level at the diploma level. Now, for you to be able to pursue this course, you will need to have a KCSE C-, and you need to have done biology as a course also, and attained at least a KCSE D+ in biology. That is for you to be able to pursue some of the units that are offered within emergency medical technician, and you will be able to practice out there in the hospital setup, even though we all know that the paramedic course is more of a pre-hospital setting kind of a program working with ambulances. But as at now, every major institution is looking forward to have by, especially if it's a manufacturing organization that requires you to have the services of someone that is privy to knowledge and skills, as far as emergency medicine is concerned. We also have HIV testing and counseling, HTS, as a short program that takes 2 weeks. I forgot to tell you that our EMT program takes 6 months, the certificate level. But our HIV testing and counseling services, the HTS, will take you 2 weeks, and that's theoretical work, and you will also have an extra 1 week within hospital setup where you'll be able to practice before we can graduate you as an expert in that field. We also offer short programs in first aid. We also have other short programs in emergency medical responder and also home-based care, all of which take short durations ranging from a week all the way to 3 months. So basically, those are some of the programs that we have you can enroll with us at any time. We already have our September-October intake that is ongoing. But if you want to, receive more academic coaching, you want to receive more information about some of the programs that I have mentioned and probably others that I may not have mentioned, see you next time. We are talking about another school within our institution.